I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
भाई साहब, किसी महान आदमी ने कहा है, सस्टेनेंस एंड ग्रेटनेस नेवर गो हैंड इन हैंड। So the last B-roll that you saw was shot with my left hand, and for those of you who don't know, I am a full-time righty unless I'm batting. So the video that I shot was with my left hand while my right hand was holding something else. खैर वो सब छोड़ो, अभी आओ वीडियो के मेन मुद्दे पे आते हैं। So on 26th of February, I had my first experience with the IIT exams, the JEE mains. But I never wanted to go there. Also, I was going through a rough phase in my life. I was going through a breakup. But उसके बारे में कभी विस्तार में बात करेंगे। अभी मेन मुद्दे पे आओ। So I went to sit for the JEE mains without preparation of any sorts. तो अगर तुम उसे साइड भी रखो, then also this is what I did a day before my JEE. So Soham got his roller skates and Maiya Kasam, never in my life I have stepped on a roller skate before. Fuck. কালকে জয়েন্ট আছে ঠিক আছে আজ জয়েন্ট ক্র্যাকের প্রিপারেশন হচ্ছে জয়েন্ট ক্র্যাক আজকেই হয়ে যাবে কালকে যা তুই সোহা করতে যাবে কত টেনশন হয়ে যাবে আরে ভাই আজ যদি কিছু হয়ে যায় না তোর কালকে একটা এক্সট্রা সিট পাবি তুই ভাই এক্সকিউজও পাবি এক্সট্রা ও স্পাইডারম্যান বলতে ভাই স্কিল দেখায় তাই সত্যি স্কিল আছে তাদের স্কিলের থেকে গাড়ে দম আছে तो बेसिकली जॉइंट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के पहले दिन मैं अपना जॉइंट तोड़वाने का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था बट जैसे तैसे कैसे I went to the exam hall and I was spellbound. I was spellbound to see the level of safety precautions and measures that they took under these COVID conditions. एग्जाम हॉल के अंदर तो मस्त प्रिकॉशन बाजी हो रहा था भाई, एकदम से फुल टू मास्क दिया, सैनिटाइजर दिया, एकदम मतलब चकाचक। बट जस्ट गेट के बाहर भाई साहब पूरा धारा भी खड़ा हुआ था। मतलब एक स्टूडेंट के लिए 2 पेरेंट्स, that is minimum of what I'm saying, and there was such a rush amidst all this, and there was nobody to control it because that was happening outside of the premises. So no doubt that people care more about their egos being satisfied by qualifying JEE than their life. And it's evident क्योंकि जब अभी गवर्नमेंट बोल रहा है कि there has not been much casualties, लोग हाँ पे हाँ मिलाए जा रहा है। बट छोड़ो भाई, जिन लोगों के लिए प्राइड और ईगो अपने लाइफ से जरूरी है, I won't raise a voice for them. पर अभी सुनो मेन मुद्दे की बात, the life-changing experience that I had inside the examination hall, and why I think everyone who's watching this video, if possible, should actually sit for one JEE exam. So I was seriously giving the exam for the first 57 minutes. How am I so specific? Because भाई timer चल रहा था, and उसके बाद भाई I spent roughly around 30 minutes sleeping, and trust me, that was the best sleep I ever had after my breakup. And then for the next 1.5 hours that I had, I planned my entire goddamn life in it. And trust me bro, the conversation that your brain and your heart combined have in the examination hall of JEE is the best experience that you can ever have with your life. No career counselor will give you such advices that your brain and heart will combine give you in JEE examination. हाँ, पर वो बात अलग है कि I got some around 72 percentile for giving the exam for just 57 minutes. So I clearly could have got better results if I was serious throughout, but नहीं भाई. And this is not me who's saying this. This is my father and my goddamn family and friends who are saying this. कि भाई तू अगर सीरियसली दे देता ना, तेरा शायद आईआईटी में हो भी जाता, who knows, because in 57 minutes you cracked some 72 percentile, so maybe, just maybe, you could have gotten better results if you did sit for this exam seriously. फिर क्या? My dad made me fill form for rest of the 3 JEE exams and then for WB JEE. भाई देखो, मेरा सिंपल सा है, इफ यू गो फॉर एनी सर्विस ओरिएंटेड जॉब, तुम्हें जॉब सिक्योरिटी शायद से मिल भी जाए एंड तुम सस्टेन कर लोगे, पर आर यू जस्ट हियर टू सस्टेन? You've gotten a very clear thing that sets you apart from billions of people who have not got that, and that is called life. भोसड़ी के तुम्हारे पास एक प्रेशियस सी चीज है जिसे तुम लाइफ कह के पुकारते हो, and you are just passing it somehow by mere sustenance. Seriously? And I can guarantee this to you, most of you who are watching this video don't really love the subject you are choosing to study in your future. It's maybe because the society pressurizes you, it's maybe because you are brainwashed to be, or you maybe are trained to believe that that subject yields success, but you don't really love that subject. और मैं ये भी गारंटी के साथ कह सकता हूँ, most of you who are watching this video have put your passion, put your hobbies, put the things that you really love doing in the shelves, in the bunkers, before choosing to study for NEET or IIT or anything that has got a glory attached to its name. क्योंकि भाई सोसाइटी तो यही कहता है ना कि you cannot be you if you want to succeed in this life. If you want to go for sustenance, you need to let go of yourself. और ये जिंदगी भाई तुम्हें मिला है सिर्फ सस्टेनेंस के लिए तो नहीं. The greatness that you have within yourself, तुमने वो सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया है क्यों? सस्टेन करने के लिए. Maybe you are a better singer, maybe you are a better artist, maybe you are a better poet, maybe you are a better writer, actor, whatever the thing that you enjoy doing is. But the world will never be able to see you because you decided to choose IIT before Olympics, and the nation lost one more gold. देखो दोस्त, सस्टेनेंस और सक्सेस पोलर ऑपोजिट चीज है, बहुत अंतर होता है. Choosing to shoot for IIT will end you up at some point in your life जहां पर तुम कमा तो अच्छे लोगे पर तुम खुश नहीं रह पाओगे क्योंकि तुम सिर्फ गुजारा करोगे. The society will call you successful for that reason because तुम एक मर्सिडीज चलाओगे शायद, but you won't be internally satisfied because तुम्हारे दिल में अभी भी वो आर्टिस्ट है, तुम्हारे दिल में अभी भी वो फोटोग्राफर है जो चीख रहा है. भाई मौका दे, एक बार खुद को जी के देख ले. The child inside you will still be screaming. उसे नहीं चाहिए महंगी गाड़ी, महंगी घर, महंगी luxurious life. उसे तो सिर्फ चाहिए सिर्फ एक पेंट ब्रश, few colors to paint his life. And this, my friend, was the call that I got while sitting for my IIT. And I thought I must share it with you guys. Maybe it will help you out. So see, I'm not saying that doing what you love will give you the life that you want. You will fail. I have started doing YouTube and I am afraid that I'll fail. But clearly man, something in me says कि भाई failing at stuff that you like is far better than succeeding at stuff that you do not. That's the thing man. I'm not looking for sustenance. I'm looking for greatness. And greatness के लिए पागलपन चाहिए. So was I trying to bash the Indian dream of getting into IIT in this video? Hell no. If you don't know what your dreams are, if you don't know what your passions are, if you don't know where your interest lies, then you can of course go with the flow, and that is the best thing that you can choose to do with your life. At least you will end up somewhere than being stuck at the same place. But if you have got something that you love, that your soul wants you to do, that you are passionate about, then give it one shot मेरे भाई. क्योंकि भाई at your deathbed ना, you'll not be happy by the amount of money that you have earned or the luxuries you've gained or the IITs that you cracked, but you'll miss the opportunities that you could have taken, miss the heights that you could have reached if you followed your heart for once in your life. तो भाई अगर उस regret में नहीं मरना है तो give your dreams one shot, and that's all this nation can ask for. Because clearly this nation does not allow passion or hobbies or things what you love to flourish unless you get a medal for it. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे ओलंपिक्स ही देख लो. मेडल्स हम सबको चाहिए पर स्पोर्ट्स इंस्टीट्यूशन पे कोई भी पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को नहीं भेजेगा क्योंकि उधर से तो तुम IIT नहीं क्रैक करोगे ना. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. और भाई IIT के बारे में क्या सोचा?
वो देखेंगे, पहले एक बार ड्राइंग को भी देख लेते हैं.
I'm going crazy.